Hello everyone, good morning. I am Isal J.T. Bernales from the seafood capital of the Philippines, Rojas City, Capiz. For the information of everyone, I was crowned as the second prince of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2025, and I was given a chance to represent the Philippines for King and Queen International 2026, and I was able also to clutch the crown of King International 2026 at Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam.
Wow, congratulations, Israel.
Yes po.
So this year, we are also celebrating or culminating the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines. So how was your journey last year?
Um, for the information of everyone, my last pageant was year 2019. So I paused for almost 6 years. And when I come back in a national pageant, I assured that I will win. And I was able to clutch also a crown. So binigay ko yung lahat talaga para manalo and able to get the crown.
Wow, congratulations. How was your preparation so far sa international pageant?
Dinoble ko pa talaga po kasi yung insecurities ko and yung kulang sa akin is my body build. And now, eto na ngayon.
Wow, congratulations for winning and for
Representing the
bringing the
Philippines.
pride, of
Yes po.
course, of the Philippines. Anyway, do you have any message to all the candidates of this year's Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines?
Yung sa akin po, yung sabi nila kasi palagi, i-enjoy lang yung yung pageant. But for me po, dapat ibigay talaga yung lahat. Kasi pag nanalo ka, mas mag-i-enjoy ka talaga. So, para sa akin, ibigay na nila lahat. Ganun po.
Ano
Ayun
yung
po.
pinakamahirap na naranasan mo sa preparations?
Yung preparation, first po, since nga male pageantry po is all about masculinity and as also po, I have to improve also my communication skills. So, dinoble ko po talaga yung preparation ko sa body ko and also para sa communication and how do I answer the questions po. Yun po talaga yung nahirapan ko. Pero na-overcome ko din po siya because sa pagtsatsaga ko.
Aside from joining the pageants, what do you do for a living?
For the information of everyone also, I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Science. Pero hindi po ako nag-proceed. Nag-estudyante na po ako ngayon. I have this business po.
Wow, what kind of business is this?
I have a drugstore clinic and it's also agricultural veterinary shop po.
Wow, congratulations.
Yes po.
Winner na winner. Aside from being a pageant king, what do you think is, which is harder for you? Being a pageant king or a businessman?
Being a pageant king po is a passion po na nasa puso ko na po talaga yung pag-join ng pageant because I'm a fan of pageant and pageant po. And then also po, gusto ko din po na maging successful in life. So binabalance ko po yung dalawa po. Kasi pag mahal mo yung yung isang bagay is madali na lang po 'yan. So binabalance ko lang po talaga sila.
When was the first time you joined the pageant?
For the information po, I've been joining for almost a decade. Nag-pause lang po ako for just like 6 years ago. And then, sumali po ako naman ng national pageant ulit nung last 2025. So, matagal-tagal na din nakasal.
Kailan yung ano,
yung
yung pinakaunang
when I was in high
pageant?
school. And then, pag-graduate ng college ko, I joined also a national pageant which is Mr. and Miss CBRC po. Doon din po ko hinold sa Cuneta Astrodome in Manila.
Wow. Sige. Do you have any social media platforms to promote?
Yes po, my Facebook po is Isal JT Bernales. Yun lang po.
Yeah. As a King International, reigning king of course, ano yung mga roles mo dito? Ano yung like yung mga activities mo na?
Ako po kasi, I have this advocacy in life and my advocacy po talaga is wala pa na ako nag-start sa sa pageant. Pinapractice ko na po talaga yung animal welfare po. So whatever will happen po kasi sabi ko, kahit manalo man o hindi, still I'm going to continue my advocacy which is the animal welfare. And so also I am so much thankful po for the organization that helped me also because I believe the King International also and the pageant is the right avenue or platform for my advocacy that could really help me to advocate my community.
How about yung mga plans and activities ng organization
Ng organization po. This year po, babalik po ako sa Vietnam for us po na community po doon sa Vietnam. May community service po kami doon. Opo.
Alright. Thank you so much for sharing, Israel.
Yes po, thank you so much.
And best of luck sa raining mo.
Thank you
Ayun.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you.